You are so eager to start a hair business. I understand. Who doesn't want to be a business owner this day, right? This market of virgin hair is undoubtedly hot right now. It's a great time for your success of your own in this high-grossing industry. Choosing a reliable hair vendor and develop a long-term relationship can make a difference between the business that thrives and a business that succeeds. Unfortunately, success doesn't come to my customer when she started her business in the first day before meeting us. Don't miss this video because I think each of you will find yourself in it. Hello, Jasmine is coming back. I just have an order 30 kg from Nigeria. As usually, we are a wholesale company, so we have many big orders from our customers all over the world. But my Nigeria friends who just ordered from me 30 kg have an impressive story about her journey in finding a good hair vendor for her business. So today I'm so eager to tell you guys about her story before meeting us at Hair Factory. My Nigeria friend did her business for almost 3 years, but she met many trouble with the old suppliers. The first time she started her business and did not know anything about this field. She found that the Chinese hair supplied the hair with the cheapest price in the market. And she found that if she ordered from the Chinese company, she would make much more profit for her business. Unluckily, at the first time, she received the very bad hair. And of course, her customer did not like the hair. They complained so much and she was so disappointed. The second time, she decided to buy Vietnamese hair because she thinks that the Vietnamese hair is much more better than the Chinese hair. I absolutely agree with that. But this time, they found the money out of her. It was such a loss and she crying so much. She don't have the money to give back to her customer and don't have the hair to send to them. The last time she found us, Hair Factory. Before she contacted me, she did a lot of research about our company and me, but she still asked me many questions with the doubt and pride. To make her believe, I have made a lot of video call with her to show her our company, our hair quality, and the way we pack the hair before shipping to our customer. We only sell the best quality hair to our customer, but she didn't want to spend much money for the first time she ordered from us. So for the first order, she ordered 1 kg bond straight hair to test our quality. And we made her hair very fast.
Man, you are the best. Within 1 week, you are the best. I will treat more with you. I have a lot to command again from you. I will treat more with you. You are the best. So happy, Jasmine. Love you. And I will order more from you. I'll order more from you. You are really sharp. I really love it. I love it.
You can see that she is so excited when I send her the video about her hair when her hair is ready to ship. Maybe to be convinced, she continue order from me 10 kg hair. And I will show you our text about the hair order over here. You can see that. She is very friendly with me and we become friends easily. We always want to have a long-term relationship with each other. Of course, the 10 kg she ordered from me at the second time is very nice and she liked them the most. And her customer also feedback that they like the the most. Just 1 week ago, she ordered from me 30 kilogram orders. It's a really big order of our company. I want to show you guys about our office when we're checking the 30 kilogram orders from her. I think that you have found yourself in this video and faced with the same situation like my customer. I make this video today and hope you guys can find the best hair vendor for your hair business and never waste money in the bad hair and your customer left you forever. I hope this video today is helpful for the one who is finding the best hair vendor for your hair business. And it is Jasmine, sales manager from K Hair Factory. If you want to get the best deal for your hair business and the best hair, don't forget to contact me via my WhatsApp here. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the K Hair YouTube channel.